You may think that PDF is just a file format for storing non-editable files that need to be easily shared and printed. Did you know, however, that the PDF document you're currently viewing has the potential to generate thousands of dollars if used correctly? Is it possible to earn a passive income from PDF? Obviously, that is a big yes, so you must watch the entire video and take appropriate action at the end. Otherwise, trying to skip will cause you to overlook important facts and leave you unsure of what to do. Having said that, while this is a legitimate and respectable way to make a lot of money online, it is not a long-term wealth accumulation strategy. With everything taken. But first, welcome to Money Intelligence, where we show you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime we release a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know and you will be able to start making things happen right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please don't be shy about leaving a comment down below if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts regarding the video. Let's get back to the video now, shall we now? The first step should be to go to Google Docs. To do so, either search for Google Docs or go to docs.google.com and type in the URL. In any case, your goal is to go to this website and create a PDF document that will earn you money. This raises the issue of what you will write in that paper, or more specifically, a guide. In our case, we created a step-by-step guide to Instagram growth, but it doesn't matter what you create a guide about. It could be about losing weight, building muscle, expanding your YouTube channel, or investing in crypto, for example. What matters is that the advice helps as many people as possible, and the more people who benefit, the more money you can make. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's return to the video. As a result, our Instagram growth strategy is a great example, as Instagram is a massively popular platform used by billions of people worldwide. This means that our Instagram growth guide will be useful to a large number of people. If you're wondering how you go about creating a guide in a subject you're unfamiliar with, the answer is simple. Simply search for it. That's exactly what we did. Indeed, all you need to do is conduct some quick research on the subject of your guide using Google, and then write one in your own words. For example, you could simply search Google for a guide that you want to write as well. In our case, we looked up how to grow an Instagram account on Google, and from there, you can access a number of these steps. Rather than copying and pasting, you will now simply write down what you have just read in your own words, avoiding any issues with copyright. You can use Google to write a tutorial about something you're unfamiliar with. The second step is to go to your preferred affiliate marketplace, such as Digistore24, ClickBank, or others. And you'd want to sign up for the platform and ask questions, which we won't go into detail about because it's really just very basic and would unnecessarily lengthen this session. So the next step is to choose a product to advertise, and you can earn money on autopilot by selling anything as an affiliate, allowing you to reach hundreds of people who are interested in the product or service you're promoting. In any case, what you want to promote will be determined by the content of your guide. Given that you want your guide to be in the same niche as the product you're marketing. If your guide includes a weight loss component, you'll look for a weight loss product to promote. If you're following a YouTube growth guide, you'll be looking for Google growth strategies. In our case, we'll be looking for Instagram growth products on Digistore24.com. All that remains is to choose something worthwhile to advertise and to pay close attention to the commissions, which should be at least 40% to increase the profitability of your marketing. Furthermore, you should avoid advertising items with excessively low prices because you will earn significantly less money per sale regardless of commissions. This is an excellent example. It pays us a fixed percentage of the commission and compensates us for each sale, which is fantastic. If 100 people bought it, we make a lot of money from completely passive revenue, which isn't bad at all. Now is the time to get your affiliate link for your product. All we have to do now is click on Promote Now to get an affiliate link to a product of our choosing, then return to your tutorial and incorporate it. Here's a useful hint. To shorten the link to the offer you're creating, use a service like bitly.com. This is because using a standard affiliate link makes it obvious that you are marketing something, and people are less likely to click on it. However, because abbreviating it with Bitly almost certainly increases the number of clicks, you should avoid pasting it in your guide and instead include something adjacent to it that will entice visitors to click on it. We wrote the best way to grow on Instagram because we use a product that helps people grow their Instagram accounts. What you do here, once again, is determined by the product and marketing. If the offer is for business growth, you could say something like Best Business Growth Practice or something similar. And now that you've included an affiliate link in your guide, you can profit handsomely from it. When it is opened, they'll go over all of these free Instagram growth tips and strategies, indicating that we truly support them. The final step in this process is to create a source of traffic. This one at Quora.com is probably the best in this situation. For those who are unaware, this is a community-based website where you can come to get answers to any questions you may have. And now we come to the most enjoyable aspects of the website. Every month, nearly 5.5 million people visit. This is why you should use Quora as a traffic source. This tool is very popular. Consider that earning thousands of dollars necessitates hundreds of clicks and purchases, which you are almost certain to receive given Quora's daily audience of millions. However, you must first create a Quora account. We won't go over that process again because creating an account on Quora is so simple. In any case, once you've joined up, you should ask a question about your personal guide. In our case, we want them to understand how to grow their Instagram following, and this identifies individuals who are clearly interested in learning how to grow their Instagram following, making them great consumers for us. The next step is to copy and paste the entire tutorial from our computer into this page as an answer. The procedure is then repeated for each question that we are able to locate. That's it. That's all the work you'll have to do. You'll be able to sit back and relax while your affiliate link receives daily clicks. If you answer as many of these questions as possible, it's almost certain that's all there is to it for today. Please give us a big thumbs up if you learned something and had fun watching this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to stay up to date on our new videos. Once more, this is Money Intelligence. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.